Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to unfriend online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up online application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here line application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options for services, groups, friends, etc. Under the section for friends, you'll be able to see all of your friends over here. So if you want to unfriend any of them, what you have to do is simply long press on their name. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like chat, voice call, favorite, block, hide from list, delete, etc. Over here you'll not be able to find the direct option for unfriend, but what you can do is simply tap on this option delete. Once you tap on the option delete, you'll be able to see the question over here. Are you sure you want to unfriend and delete this contact? So if you delete this contact, they'll automatically be unfriended. So for that, what you have to do is tap on the delete option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, that particular friend will be unfriended and deleted. So like this, you'll be able to unfriend someone. So that is how you unfriend online app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.